Hello everybody, Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a very unique vehicle. We're going to do a quick video walk-around tour and show you some of the features here. This is the 2021 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter van. This is the 3500 model. Very, very unique. Honestly, this is the first one I've ever seen come into our inventory, and definitely excited to walk you through some of the features. And of course, if you're interested in learning more about this vehicle, you can always reach out to us on our website, FeldmanImports.com. Love to answer any questions you may have, or even set up a test drive if you're interested. So I'm going to go ahead and hop inside. I do have very low mileage, 9,750 for miles. You can see our steering wheel here, the push button ignition. And we've got our touchscreen display showing navigation and radio. Okay, and I'll also show you backup camera here. We've got climate controls right down here. We've got our shifter. You'll also notice master power in the refrigerator. That's how you'll turn those on here. You got the master power on currently, which is why it's so loud in the vehicle with the vents running. Definitely a hot and humid day here in Minnesota. We'll go ahead and come around to the other side here. This is where we got our sliding door. There's a power opening and closing. You'll just pull on the handle there, and I'll go ahead and do the work for you. And this is the interior here. So we've got the rear facing seats here, right behind the driver and passenger seat. And then we've got our front facing seats. Okay, I'll go ahead and hop inside. And we do have a smart TV here. We've got Netflix and all the different apps. You can see speakers everywhere. We've got ambient lighting everywhere. We've got our stereo controls down here. Got controls here for the TV and whatnot, various inputs. We've got USB plugs everywhere. This vehicle also has exterior speakers. You can flip the switch and then hear your music outside. We've got tray tables that fold out here for the seats. And then we've got the rear bench style seats. We've got tinted windows here. You also have cellular style blinds that easily just pull up or push down as you'd like. And then coming to the back here, you've got a little kitchenette area. We've got a microwave, sink, refrigerator, and even a restroom. And then here's the view from the very back of the vehicle. And walking back up towards the front. So once again, this is the 2021 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500. If you're interested in learning more about the vehicle, just reach out to us on our website, FeldmanImports.com.